Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can unhide a post on Facebook. So if you hide earlier a post on Facebook and you want to unhide it, I will walk you through a few steps on how to do that. So the first thing you'll have to do is hit the icon with the three lines at the top right corner and then hit this gear icon to go to your settings and privacy. And right here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different options that we can choose from. And if you scroll down, you will find right here your activity, and you'll have to tap on activity log. And right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see this option right here, view logged actions. And we are going to press on that. And as you can see right here, there is a list of different options, but we have this one right here, hidden from profile. And we are going to tap on that option right here. And this will lead us to a list of posts that we hidden from our profile. So what you have to do right here is just hit the icon with the three dots right here. And you have to select this option, add to profile, in order to unhide that post from your profile. So if you hit this option right here, add to profile, this post will be added to your Facebook profile. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.